right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Today we're going to be diving back into our Web3Py favorites module. We're going to pick up where we left off from yesterday inside of our project introduction module or section of the module. So let's dive right in. So the next step will be to create a contract object that will allow us to interact with the smart contract. We will do this by using the following command: w3.eth.contract bytecode equals compilation details bytecode. Now, if you notice, remember I said we initially ran the code, we set it up, we actually had it set up wrong. We only had the bytecode, we didn't have the ABI keyword. So this is a part of the error that we had initially started with. We're just going to go through the motions and show you every step we took anyway. Then we will store this object in a variable called favorites contract. This will look like this. So you see we have favorites contract equals w3.eth.contract bytecode equals compilation details bytecode. Now that we have our contract object, we can start interacting with it. The first thing we will do is deploy the contract to the blockchain. We will do this by using the following command. Note the compilation details variable is known as a dictionary in Python, which is a data structure that allows us to store data in key value pairs. Now, using the Ethereum tester provider was just for example. Moving forward, we will not be using it anymore, so we will remove it from the code. What we are going to be using instead is the W or the HTTP provider package, which is a package that allows us to connect to the Ethereum blockchain using HTTP. Now, that's exactly what I said to you yesterday. We don't have the example of the Ethereum tester provider. Like I said, I didn't think to save it so we can actually go over the example that we went through for the video. So yeah, unfortunately, we don't have the example of that because we already used it and we have moved on from using it. We're actually using a live provider now in the form of the HTTP. So I don't have anything to show you inside of our contract today. So just going to leave it as a light reading. But we will pick up tomorrow and we will keep going over the contract line by line, step by step. So stay tuned for that. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.